if I tell you the truth, you see, if I judge him by the work, could I almost call him a scholar and a gentleman. But you see, in my gut, that there's some kind of demon.
Well, him look like a demon to me.
Yeah, man. You them already at the class. You think you can get them together and set up a little interview? Or we can talk to them?
That's the next move. We need to know if them did see anybody when they're about will look strange. King, you never see nobody will look strange.
Strange. Well, I gotta review the whole day and all that happened. And I will get back to Miss Brissett. But good question.
The bossy. Or the next move?
Well, as I say, or as you say, King has to gather the youths them and we'll do the interview. But King, what is I gonna show this out there? None of the house them or business place where they're about wouldn't by chance have a camera would pick up on the outside of the road.
Well, as you know, the businesses are small businesses. And a few of them have cameras. But I'm almost sure there is none in that vicinity.
I'm not telling a lie. This to bother me. See, I understand. Because Anissa, your friend. I want to get really, really close. King, we can take a circle around the neighborhood, like which part should I do the class. And you know, the half route them we should maybe would have take for walk go home. But just an observation.
Well, I think that is an ideal move. So, make a motion.
Alright.
Yeah, that's so far.
Hold up for a minute. General want to talk. Hold on, my boss. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Well, cool out. You know my day off now.
Tell me something. The little catty were working at the bar there. You hear so she missing?
The black one? The thick body one?
Yes, that one.
I hear some whisper about that, but you know them young girls maybe a party she gone to link her boyfriend or something like that. You don't know.
So, you never happened to see her within the last 2 days?
She was down there by the park and I was watching her teach a little dance part. I was walking by on my way to work. That's about the last time I seen her.
You know something? Me dey on a move here now, but me and you need to have a little talk. Because I want to know how long Bobby move come over like that.
All right, my general. On the latest.
I wonder what's that about.
What? Community leaders? Future community leaders? Miss Brissett?
Well, one thing for sure, based on his admission, he was in the vicinity at the time of the class.
Tell me something, King. He used to wine at the bar?
Yes, but also based on what I know, him and I don't appear to have a good relationship.
Which
can present cause and motive.
True.
Yes. Good morning. I think I have information about the young lady Anise that was kidnapped at Top Hill. Yes, I think you want to look into a black Subaru. Yes, I seen her reversing up the road at high speed. The license plate number is...
Alright, King. We're gonna do a full investigation. First order of business I want you to take care of is, me look around and I not see no immediate cameras in the vicinity. But when you do your search and thing, you can check and find anywhere a point to the immediate off-roads. If you don't get through with that, next best thing is we have to ask the neighbors if them see anything where it happen.
I hear that. And I really, look forward to, we go all out on this. Because you see that little girl there, as you know, at the second time this, it would have been really sad for she have to repeat such a traumatic experience after we see what it do here. So here we go. We're going to beg and we're going to pull ideas together and see how fast we can return this little girl to our family and our friends.
The team there.
King man, when you keep a close eye on the Yankee brother there, yeah? Any little suspicious move, just make you know.
Everybody have them orders so as to work for them. We're gonna wrap up here, so I head out. Alright?